Hey there. Today I'll be teaching you guys about email list statistics that every e-commerce brand and every email marketer needs to know. Let's dive in. And real quickly, again, my name is Chase Diamond. I'm an e-commerce email marketing expert that sent over 1 billion emails and done over $75 million in email attributable revenue for my clients. So let's dive in. If you have an email list, that's probably why you're here. Or if you manage an email list, that's also probably why you're here. I'm going to talk to you guys about 9 stats that every single person that has an email list or manages a list needs to know. Let's get started. So, number one, the number of emails sent in 2019 was 293 billion emails every single day. In 2021, it's around 347 billion emails. So, the number of emails being sent every day and every month and every year is increasing. So, email marketing is far from being dead. Double down on your email program, and you guys are going to see a lot of results. Stat number two, the average open rate is 21%. And this isn't too hard to beat, especially on the automation side. So an email automation is an email that's sent off some kind of behavior, trigger, action. Someone enters their email into some pop-up, that triggers a welcome series. Someone adds something to cart, but doesn't start checkout, doesn't buy, and is on your list, that triggers an abandoned cart. So keep track of the subject lines that your audience's responds to the most. What is driving the opens? Is it caps, no caps, emoji, no emoji? Is it short? Is it long? What does that look like? And have a swipe file internally that you can record and kind of keep your best performing subject lines, and also pay attention to what other folks are sending and what makes you open it, and then send and kind of optimize and iterate accordingly. And then from there, no surprise that open rates for mobile are increasing. 43% of all opens were on mobile a few years ago. Now we're up to about 46 to 50% of all opens on mobile. Over the past year and a half, that number is probably even higher just through everyone being at home. And if you're not optimizing your emails for mobile, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity for at least half the opens and increasing every single day, week, month, and year. Number four, email advertising in the US alone in 2019 was over $350 million. So trust me, there's enough for all of us. Email marketing is not dead. And email advertising actually is a really great channel, especially if you're trying to advertise another newsletter or some kind of relevant offer. Email traffic typically is really warm traffic. So it's great to be able to build and kind of borrow that trust from the sender. Number five, abandoned checkout emails. So by sending 3 abandoned checkout emails, you result in 69% more orders than sending just one. So one email is great, but if you end up having 2 more, then you end up having almost 70% more revenue from that sequence, which is super important and will drive a lot of revenue for you guys. And then along with this, the welcome series and the post-purchase sequence are some of the most powerful emails for any e-commerce email marketing store. So make sure that you have these for your brand or your clients' brands. Number 6, and I guess before we get there really quickly, I'm working really hard on these videos, producing a lot of content, no fluff, just actionable email marketing tips and tricks. So please drop a comment showing some support, asking a question. Make sure to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get back to the content. So number 6, adding video thumbnails to your emails can actually increase your click-through rate by 300%. Again, this isn't for everyone, but if your audience likes video and you like to be on the video and kind of on the screen, there's no reason why you shouldn't be using this and driving traffic to YouTube or Loom or wherever your videos are hosted, even your website. For me, myself, obviously, I'm here recording content, doing interviews, and I always send this to my list, and I see a ton of engagement. Number 7, promotional content. So 49% of your customers said that they want to receive a promotional email on at least a weekly basis. So your customers are literally asking you to sell to them. So selling too much is a mistake, but so is selling too little. Find that right cadence 1-2 times a week and send them promotional content. The other content should be educational, social proof, and so on and so forth. And then personalization, right? Emails with personalized subject lines will get more than half the amount of opens than those without. So you can get 54% more opens by just being personalized. I've received brands ask for both your name and your email, right? This isn't random. If they ask for your birthday, if they ask for other information, it's because they want to leverage this, right? So people have a psychological tendency to really enjoy the sound in their name and want to see their name. Know this and you'll have an advantage. That being said, personalization of name is just the base layer. There's so many more things you can personalize. What do people care about? What are they viewing? What are they adding to cart? What are they purchasing? What are they reading? All those types of things really play well into building the great personalized emails. And then the last one I have here is segmentation. Now, marketers with segmented campaigns make about 760% more revenue than those without. That's almost 8 times as much. So don't batch and blast your entire list. That's a thing of the past. Instead, find people who want to hear from you, focus on them, and profit. So those are the 9 quick tips and tricks for email list kind of stats and statistics to increase your engagement, increase your revenue, so on and so forth. Thank you guys for listening. Please hit like on this video. Please drop a comment and please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on ecom Chase Diamond at Twitter. There's no A in Diamond. I'll have the link in the description. Thank you guys and cheers.